The following program is rated G. It is suitable for all audiences.
La Noble Villa de Pila. The town of Pila was honored with the name of La Noble Villa de Pila by the Spaniards in 1610 because of the gentle customs, refined manners, and tradition of its people. Original Spanish-era layout of the town has basically remained intact. The spacious plaza dominates the population, with the church on one side and the Pila Municipal Hall on the other end. Surrounding the plaza are the elegantly restored ancestral houses of the Principalia or the elite, which dates back from Spanish colonial period. Pila is a third-class municipality with a total land area of 31.2 km square, and it's politically subdivided into 17 barangays, namely Aplaya, Bagong Pook, Bukal, Bulilan Norte, Bulilan Sur, Concepcion, Labuin, Linga, Masiko, Mohon, Pansol, Pinagbayanan, San Antonio, San Miguel, Santa Clara Norte, Santa Clara Sul, and Tubuan. Shrine of St. Anthony de Padua. The Church of San Antonio de Padua, Pila, Laguna was the first church to be dedicated to St. Anthony of Padua in the Philippines, erected in 1578. Just a few years after Ferdinand Magellan discovered the Philippines. The church is under the Diocese of San Pablo, 3rd Episcopal District Vicariate of San Antonio de Padua. On the 9th of July 2002, the church was declared the Diocesan Shrine of St. Anthony of Padua by the Bishop of San Pablo Francisco San Diego in the presence of Ricardo Cardinal Vidal.
Minsa'y natunga ang may likha, 7,000 pulo ang ginawa. Mga hiyas na inilatag sa malasuklang dagat. At ang bayan niyang pinili, nasa tulog ng bahaghari. Kaya't 1,000 kulay, nangangakit kumakaway. Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas,
and drum set. Shake it up and dance it like no more drama. And shut the world to Philippines, throw it out there. The world keeps talking, but we ain't walking. We keep on dancing, that's how we rock it. 7,107 islands of PVC, pieces of heaven.
Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas. 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 Kapulo ang kwintas ng pera. Piliin mo yung kapit mo. Kayamanan niyang ikas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Kapulo ang kwintas ng pera. Piliin mo yung kapit mo. Kayamanan niyang ikas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Piliin mo ang
De La Cruz Heritage House. This house is popularly known in the town of Pila because it is more often used in movies such as Criselda Sabiksayo, Hiraya Manawari, San Miguel Beer, Macario Sakay, and Cabaret 1897. Alabas Heritage House. This house is known because of the unique materials used in building this house. Relobas Heritage House. This house is known as the house of the brother of the first mayor in the town of Pila. Moninas Heritage House. This house is known as the owner of the landlord and it is often used in movies such as Mas Bilab. The Maculangan's Heritage House. This house is owned by the two peerless landlord brothers in the town of Pila. Robles Heritage House. This house is popular since ancient times because it has been the stronghold of the Japanese. Stella's Heritage House. This house is popular because the series of Be Careful With My Heart is taken in this house. Candang's Heritage House. This house is popularly known in the town of Pila because of its manufacture or structure, and sometimes this house is the spot of doing a film such as a horror film. Fuentes Heritage House. This house is popularly known in the town of Pila because of the owner of the house is one of the richest women in the town of Pila. Rivera's Heritage House. This house is commonly used in making a TV commercial. The most popular commercial is the TM commercial. Relobas Heritage House. This house is known as the home of the first mayor in the town of Pila.
Gagawa tayo ng ano? Buwisit ka. Bakal mo ah.
Yo,
Trip lang. Trip.
pakinggan nyo to.
Bakit? Trip.
Trip lang.
Trip lang.
Halika na tara, madali lang talaga. Pangako pagkatapos humihinga ka padali na pare maghiliwanag na kundi ka sasabay maiiwanan ka. Ang isip ay wag na gawing pang dalawa dahil isa lang ito. Ang gusto lang naman ito ay maging masaya. Para di ka mabato ay iwasan mo ang pananatili sa isang lugar. Ibig ko sabihin ay huwag ka papasakop sa takot, wag ka papasakop. Kapag nangate, di ka dito isipin mo. Hindi ba sa lahat ng karanasan mo dito sa mundo bilang tao? Gano'n pa rin hindi nagbago. Pinakamasaya yung di pinlano. Kasi bakit